How to delete a YouTube short from your channel. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you could easily delete your YouTube short from the channel. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is obviously open up your YouTube, and once you get to your YouTube, you just have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now from here, the next step is to view your channel. You can do that by tapping on the settings, or you can just directly tap below your name where it says view channel. And it will directly take you to your channel where you have option to manage your videos, and it will list out all of your videos right here. Or you can just see your videos from your video section or your short section. But you basically want to tap on manage videos, then tap on shorts, and a list for all of your shorts will show up right here. Tap on the three dots, and right below there you will find this delete option, and then tap on delete, and you should be good to go. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.